Hi guys, I hope you are all doing well. This is Nell, and in this video we are going to learn how to make this text effect using KineMaster. Alright, open KineMaster and click on Create New. Now you should select the aspect ratio, so tap 16:9 and click on Next. By the way guys, if you don't know how to work with the KineMaster application, I have one of the most complete tutorials on KineMaster. It's a 4-part tutorial, so you can click on the link above and watch the first part. Step 1. Now it's time to import the black background, so I click on Media. I go to my photo folder and import it. Okay. Alright, I'll make the duration a bit longer, but of course I can change the duration later anytime I want. Step 2. Now you should click on Layer, Text, and write the word you like. Okay, I'll drag this layer till the end of my project. I make it a bit bigger. Now I tap Font and put it on Rubik Black. You can use other fonts, but remember it would be better to be a bold one. Now I want to make it even bolder, so I'll go to Outline and add Outline. I can also add a little space between the letters. Okay, great. Step 3. Now it's time to add your footages. Tap Layer, Media, go to the folder, and add your first footage. Now I should go to Blending and put it on Multiply. Now by dragging, I can adjust the place. Also, I can scale it up or down by dragging. So I'll put it in a way that it covers the first letter. Good. I can also crop it. Perfect. I'm done with the first letter and first footage, so I'll move on to the second footage. Again, I'll do the same. Layer, Media, the folder. Again, I go to the Blending. I'll put it on Multiply. And I'll adjust the place and size. And the last footage. Perfect, and at the end I'll just set the duration of the layers and I'll make them equal. For instance, this footage is shorter than the other, so what I can do is to cut all the layers right here and finish the video. Or another way is to change the speed of this layer and speed it a little bit down, so I can make it a bit longer. Perfect, and it's done. Our project is done. Let's watch it.